How to change PC name in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change your computer name or your PC name on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all you need to open the Settings app, left click on this Windows Start icon, and you will be able to see the Settings app here. Click on it. Here you can see the current name of PC. To change the PC name in Windows 11 click on Rename option. So click on Rename. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to enter a new name for your PC. After you have entered your new PC name, click on the Next button. Windows will prompt you to restart your computer. To apply the changes, click on Restart button. So now my Windows 11 operating system has been restarted. So let's check whether the PC name has been changed or not. So I'm going to once again click on this Windows Start icon. Here it shows me the device name, which is Windows 123. So now we have successfully changed the computer name or the PC name on our Windows operating system. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.